In today's video, let me show you the way that you can update your phone number on Venmo. If you have a new number and you're trying to add it to your Venmo account, let me show you the quick process that you need to follow. From the app of Venmo, you'll need to head over to the settings icon, which is on the top right of the screen. If you don't see this section, just tap on the Me section on the bottom right and then head over to settings. From the settings page, you'll have a few different options. In order to change the phone number under preferences, the first option you'll see is edit profile. Just tap on this option. Inside of edit profile under account information, you'll have the option called profile and phone number. Profile lets you change your username and the name that you've added into your Venmo. In order to change your phone number, just tap on the phone number option right here. Now once you're inside of this screen, you just need to type in the new number that you want to add in. So just type in the number and then tap on send code. This way a verification code will be sent to the new number that you've added in. You need to add in the code in the next screen and then verify the new number that you've added in. Once the verification code is now complete, the number will be updated on your Venmo. And now other people can send over payments using the new number that you just added in. So that's the way that you change or update your phone number on Venmo. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more future videos just like this.